The combination of baking soda and coconut oil is an excellent treatment for blackheads. Baking soda exfoliates your skin, leaving it soft and smooth while unclogging pores containing dead skin cells. It helps to neutralize your skin's pH level and allows it to produce less oil, completely preventing blackheads. Coconut oil is very effective in facial treatments since it helps to eliminate dead skin cells and excess dirt. In addition, coconut oil contains antibacterial properties which helps to treat and avoid the occurrence of blackheads. The presence of natural healthy fats in coconut oil helps fight against moisture loss through the pores of your skin. Although it may seem uncomfortable to put baking soda on your face, the coconut oil balances out the harshness of the baking soda, making it safe for sensitive skin. You will need 2 teaspoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add the baking soda in one small bowl and later add the coconut oil to it. Mix these things well until you achieve a smooth paste. Start applying this prepared mixture on the blackhead affected region and gently massage this application for 1 minute in circular motions. Keep your application on for 4 to 5 minutes and thereafter rinse with warm water. Continue massaging it again and rinse off thoroughly by using lukewarm water. Finally, use a face towel to pat dry the skin. This treatment can be followed 1 time weekly to prevent and treat blackheads naturally.